Welcome to Today in Courts. In today's news, Monday's hearing before the Supreme Court in the plea concerning the declaration of Hindus as minorities in certain states witnessed some interesting exchanges between the bench and Solicitor General Tushar Mehta. The SG told the bench that he has not seen the affidavit submitted by the Union Ministry of Minority Affairs to the court. Through this affidavit, the central government told the Supreme Court that Hindus, Jews and Baha'is who are minorities in certain states can be declared so by the state government. It is further submitted that the allegation that such communities cannot establish and administer their own educational institutions in places where they are in the minority like Lakshadweep, Ladakh, Kashmir, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, etc. is not true. The affidavit was filed in response to a plea filed by BJP leader and advocate Ashwini Kumar Upadhyay seeking a declaration that followers of Judaism, Baha'ism and Hinduism can establish and administer their own educational institutions in places where they are in the minority like Punjab, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, Kashmir, etc. in spirit of the TMA Pai ruling. The plea also sought a declaration that Section 2F of the National Commission for Minority Education Institutes Act 2004 is arbitrary and offends Articles 14, 15, 21, 29 and 30 of the Constitution as it gives the central government unbridled powers to declare a group as a minority. The Supreme Court on Monday asked one of the accused in the GainBitcoin scam app, Ajay Bhardwaj, to disclose his username and password of his crypto wallet to the Enforcement Directorate. Additional Solicitor General Aishwarya Bhati, representing the ED, told the court that the issue is not about the legality of the cryptocurrency. A bench headed by Justice D.Y. Chandrachud then asked the accused to cooperate in the investigation and disclose his full username and password of his crypto wallet and make full disclosure to the investigating agency. The Delhi government in its small budget for the year 2022 to 23 has announced that the existing electricity subsidy scheme will be extended to the lawyers' chambers inside the court premises. Finance Minister Manish Sisodia announced the same while presenting the Aam Aadmi Party government's budget on Saturday. The AAP leader and Delhi's Deputy Chief Minister announced that the schemes of free electricity up to 200 units and subsidies for those consuming up to 400 units would be extended to the lawyers' chambers within the court premises in Delhi. The Kerala High Court today barred the government servants from protesting in the ongoing national strike that was organized by the National Convention of Workers to protest against the policies of the central government. A division bench of Chief Justice S. Mani Kumar and Justice Shaji Pichali pulled up the state government for not having issued orders restraining the employees in advance. The court declared that the participation of the government servants in the ongoing two-day strike is illegal and directed the state government to issue orders prohibiting the same. The Delhi High Court on Monday asked social media platform Twitter why it was not taking action against and suspending accounts which post blasphemous and objectionable content about Hindu gods and goddesses when even the account of former US President Donald Trump was suspended. A division bench of Acting Chief Justice Vipin Sanghi and Justice Naveen Chawla said that it appeared as if the microblogging platform would only take harsh steps if it felt sensitive about a post or an information and would not take any action if people of other religions and ethnicities felt offended by some content. The court therefore directed Twitter to file its responses explaining its policy regarding permanently blocking an account on its platform.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon.